everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is April. I'm going to be missing in action this week in this video. I had a little run-in with the medical situation and I am not able to walk and I'm not able to film. So we're going to have to do it this way, and I wasn't able to finish a couple of other projects I wanted to include. But today's project is Fall Basket Refresh. It's a basket I have already had, but we're going to redo it. Hi everyone. Okay, we're going to get started on this fall basket that I've had for years, and I really love it. I bought this at Taipan Trading in Salt Lake City years ago, and it's gone through a lot of moves and it's gone through a lot of holidays, and so it just needs a refresh. So I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby and also Dollar Tree and picked up some florals. I don't think anyone can tell which ones are from which store. I think they all blend in really nicely. Anyway, I'm just going to put in different picks and flowers and berries, and these pumpkins I love. Now these I did get at Hobby Lobby. They're darling, and I love the stems. I have larger pumpkins that match this look. And I love this vibrant flower right here, and there's another one a little darker, and I think they all blend really nicely. I really love the farmhouse look, but for holidays I really am into the traditional fall colors and the traditional Christmas colors. I do have a few things that look farmhouse and I really do love them, but I was just raised with this type of fall coloring and I just love it. It makes me feel cozy and at home with family, and so that's what I'm going for with this refresh. That's the flower that I was mentioning, the little bit darker one, or more a little orange. I think they're really pretty. You could do this with any items you have at home that are kind of old and in need of some love. And I apologize for sniffling. It's kind of late at night and my allergies are acting up, so I apologize for that. And yes, you can use any color you'd like, of course. If you have farmhouse and you have more pastels or shabby chic or anything, you could just do a refresh on any items that you have at home. I have a wreath and a garland that match this as well, and I will be fixing up the wreath because it needs a little bit of attention. And the garland is doing pretty well though. It's always on the mantle, and it doesn't have grandbabies coming to take a collection of berries when they come to visit. They love these berries for some reason. So here we go. Our next step is making the bow. We'll need two 15-inch ribbon strips, one 12-inch ribbon strip, and one 3-inch ribbon strip. And we're going to just set them out where they're kind of organized. We're going to take the 12-inch and put hot glue along one end, and then we're going to fold it over onto the other end to make kind of like a circle. And we're going to pat it down, and watch your fingers because the glue is really, really hot. So just secure that down, and then we'll take one of the 15-inch strips and do the same thing. Put glue on one end, fold it over the other end, and make a circle. Again, being careful with your fingers. Oops, I got it a little lopsided. There we go. Okay, and then I just place the 12-inch over the 15-inch to kind of size it up, see if it's the size that I want. And I decided to cut the ribbon on each side because this is extremely stiff ribbon to work with. It would not, squeeze in the middle. If you're going to try to make a bow, it was not cooperating. It said, I don't want to be a bow today. Anyway, so I cut the two middles. Okay, so now what I decided to do on the 3-inch was cut along each side because it was just way too wide. So I'm folding it over. We're going to put hot glue and glue that on around all of them. You're going to have to really pull it tight. If you want to put wire or string, you're certainly welcome to do so. I honestly couldn't find mine at the moment, so I just put the strip around and I'm just gluing it, and it turned out really well, surprisingly. And yeah, and so then I'm just curling the ends of the ribbon down, and then I am going to cut the ends. I like to make a dovetail on the ends of the ribbons, and I'm going to glue the bow onto the basket. I tried using pipe cleaners to attach it to the inside of the basket and twist it, but it wasn't working for me. So the glue worked just fine. And then I just added a few more pieces. And I really apologize that you cannot see what I'm doing, but I had an emergency and had to go to the ER, and we were there for several hours, and I'm not able to walk at the moment, and I'm just having some issues with filming because I can't walk up to where I normally film, and I can't run and get things. I'm just kind of stuck. And where the camera was angled at this piece, I wasn't even able to check the camera, so I apologize for that. But I'll have a full view in just a moment for you. Thank you, my sweet friends, for stopping by and spending this time with me. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing so that I can grow my channel. I would really appreciate it. Hopefully next time I see you on YouTube that I will be much more healthy and I can walk around and make a really nice video for you all. And until that time, remember, be brave, be kind, and be loving. Kisses and hugs.